Hello, my name is Hugh. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show how to make hot and sour soup.
The ingredients for the soup include 1 medium or large chicken egg, 3 little bamboo shoots from can. If you can find fresh bamboo shoot, you can also use that. 4 ounces of pork, and then we will have around half a package of soft tofu, around 7 ounces, and we will have 4 slices of wooden ear fungus, around 1 ounces of dry shiitake mushrooms, 1 slice of ginger. You don't have to peel the ginger. Also, we need 4 cups of chicken broth or stock.